Hey, it's Trevor here, and this is the British weather. This is rain on me. I just got called outside. Somebody nearly knocked over next door's dog, and they came and knocked on my door and said, "Have you got a dog?" Well, obviously I haven't got Jim anymore. And I said, "Oh, it's next door's dog," so I had to take her back next door and got soaked because we're having a wonderful summer here in the UK. Not. But everything else in the world is rosy, right? Especially what I've got for you today, because this is my brand new release. This is the biggest collection of PLR assets ever seen in our market, and this is the giant PLR kit. Okay, this is a complete and utter no-brainer. You're going to get 23,000 PLR assets for just $12.95, which is 1/20th of a cent each, or 0.00005 cents. All right, 0.00005 cents each. So it's incredible value. And you might be thinking, well, what do I do with 23,000 PLR assets? There's quite a few things that you can do with them, and this is why I'm passionate about it. Now, if you know my story, you know that everything began with one piece of PLR. I wanted to release a product, right? I wanted to become a vendor. I could see back then in 2017 that the only way forward for me and anyone else in this industry to really make money online is to make that transition from consumer to creator. All right, so rather than buying and consuming stuff, you become the creator yourself, and that way you build a buyer's list, and with that buyer's list you can make affiliate commissions from other people's products as well as from your own sales. Right? So I thought, well, you know, I'm a newbie. What could I possibly do? What can I possibly make a course about if I haven't done anything yet and I haven't got any proof of income and all that sort of stuff? And that can be a bit of a challenge, you know, for a lot of people. So anyway, I thought, well, I'll take a look at some PLR. And Fergal was my mentor back then. And he said, look, anything to do with traffic and a few other things, I think list building is a great product, you know, for you to create. So I looked for something on traffic, and I found something that was hashtag something, and I turned it into easy profit magnet from some PLR. Now, back then, we didn't have all this artificial intelligence to help us out, so it was literally just me pimping it. But these days, it's got a lot easier, hasn't it? So what I've got for you in my bonus bundle, apart from a load of bonuses, as usual, you know, spoil you rotten, but I'm putting together some brand new training that is not inside the giant PLR kit and is not available anywhere else. And this training is going to show you how, using today's technology, you can take one of these assets and turn it into something spectacular, very valuable, that you can sell immediately. And we're talking about this, you know, it takes a few minutes, and it's a lot of fun to do, and it's really easy. All right, so you're going to get my free training on that, not available anywhere else, as part of my special bonus bundle on this. Okay, so let's take a look at the sales page for this giant PLR kit. So it says here, as you can see, get instant access to 15,000 PLR articles, 3,000 PLR ebooks, 3,000 PLR image quotes, 300 PLR motivational videos, 250 PLR cartoon graphics, and 1,500 PLR meme templates. That's massive. Now, with that lot there, you can literally do what you like. One of the things that you could do is just set yourself up a little business where you service clients and you provide them with this stuff for them to do on their own social media. I mean, you could even set up a recurring income stream where you say to them, look, you know, for just, I don't know, $10 a month, I'll give you, you know, you can download X amount of these things. They're all yours to do what you want with. You can rename them, rebrand them, re-edit them, change them, do anything you like, because you've got PLR, private label rights on these, all right? One of the things that you can do, it says here, a giant collection of PLR assets that you can sell for huge profits, or giveaways, bonuses, and explode your affiliate commissions. And that's what I like to do, is you can take any of these and you can create a very specific bonus, all right? So if the product is on, let's say, traffic, you create a traffic bonus. If the product is on list building, you create a list building bonus. And you do that from these assets. And I show you how to do that in my special bonus training, all right? Now, so I started my business off with one piece of PLR. I've gone on to do over $2 million on Warrior Plus alone. And I think that's pretty impressive from a $5 piece of PLR. But if you paid $5 for these, you'd be spending, I think it's $115,000, to get them. And we're only charging you $12.95. So you can see why this is bonkers, all right? So this is the sales page, and you can go through that at your leisure. We've got this nice little graphic for you just to show you the kind of value that you're getting here. And that's all there is to say about this, really, because it's not some fancy software thing. It's not AI, it's just an asset. It's a massive asset. 23,000 assets, making an entire empire of assets that you can get for just $12.95. So it is a no-brainer, and if you let this pass you by, then you're going to kick yourself. You really are. So I'll give you more details on my bonus bundle when it's finished. But as I said, what I'm going to be doing is what I'm doing right now is recording that special training for you. And I show you how to take one of these assets and do the whole thing. Rename it, rebrand it, reformat it, make it look beautiful, make it very valuable. And then you've got a product there immediately. It's going to take you a couple of minutes. And then you can make that transition from consumer to creator. All right. As always, if you've got any questions, please do let me know. But in the meantime, grab this as soon as you can before my bonus bundles go on this and before the price goes up. And I'll speak to you soon. Take care.